Nike Air Max 95 Greedy is officially returning in fall 2026, bringing back one of the most iconic mismatched colorways in Air Max history. First released in 2015, this fan favorite pairs multiple legendary AM95 color schemes into one bold, asymmetrical design. The 2026 reissue stays extremely close to the original, even retaining the classic small air unit instead of today's big bubble setup, giving longtime collectors that authentic retro feel. Each shoe tells its own visual story. The right foot blends grayscale, neon, and solar red tones, while the left mirrors the transition with bold blacks, whites, and vibrant accents. Color-shifting lace loops, mismatched air units, multicolored outsoles, and unique tongue logos create a layered look that stands out from every angle. Inspired by the human anatomy and designed for striking street presence, the Air Max 95 Greedy returns as a must-have for collectors and sneaker fans waiting for its long-awaited comeback.